Hello friends, my name is Radia. Today we're going to learn how to make lists in HTML. So first we'll open our VS Code. So after you open the VS Code and you've opened your folder, then you make a new file. This time we're going to be naming it lists.html. So now we're going to write DOC and we'll name the document my daily lists. So to make a list, first we're going to add a H1 which will say lists in HTML, but it's not necessary to add the H1. Now we're going to make a UL and then we're going to write LI make a website. So now we're going to save it and copy the path. And then we're going to go to our web browser and we're going to press Ctrl V. So now we'll see this thing that says make a website, but there's only one. So we're going to add more, like let's say LI welcome to the tutorial, and we can make another LI which will say bake cake. Now we will save it and then reload this. Now it will say welcome to the tutorial and bake cake. So we're going to rename this lists in HTML. So now we're just going to make more by copying all of these and then we will paste them on the other line and also delete these. So we can copy the whole list and paste it again, but this time we're going to change these to alls. First we'll remove the I from each of them. And then we'll also remove it from the second one, like this. And then we will add O in the beginnings. Oh, and I forgot this one. And we'll also do it for the other side. Don't forget to put O in everything at the back. So now when we reload it, we'll see these, but we don't see anything beside them. So now we're going to add a background color to the body. We're going to say body style background color. Maybe we will change it to something like red, but not normal red. Maybe we'll change it to this color. Now when we save it, we see that our background has changed. Yay! So now we're going to style our list. So now we're going to go to VS Code and then we'll add style. But instead of adding the style in this, we can add the style in the body. So we're going to write another style. And then we're going to set it to font family, and it is going to be Seagull UI, but it's not necessary to put all of these rubbishes. Ha 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 ha. So now we will reload it. So you see the font might have changed a bit. So now we're going to style the lists. Yay! So now these are our lists. We're going to add a style to our first one, and we'll make it to be something like maybe pink. We'll set the background color to pink. Or instead, you can change the font. Instead, you can change the text color. So, but we're just going to stick with background color for now. Or if you want to change the color of the text, just write background. So now we're going to copy this background color and paste it in each of them. Don't forget to copy anything. While you are waiting for me, you can just add it to everything. So, but first, we're just going to add it to right here. And then this time, we will change it to something like blue. Then when we reload it, we'll see that this one becomes blue. So let's make it a pattern. We're going to copy these. First, we're going to copy the background color pink and paste it in this one this and this one. And then we're going to copy this blue one and paste it in this one and this one. So now we're going to paste it in this all, this all, this all, and this. We're going to copy the pink one. So after copying the pink one, we're going to paste it in the rest of them. So make sure not to forget to put any of the stylings. Paste and paste. Now we will reload our website, and now we see all of these colors. Yay! So now that is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Yay!